Imagine a world where expensive ink cartridges and the hassle of replacements are nothing but a distant memory. Welcome to the era of the printing revolution with the Epson EcoTank 2812, a multifunction printer designed to transform the way you print, copy, and scan. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now. To learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews left by satisfied customers and order yours today. It is an ideal printer for students, professionals, and families looking for an economical, reliable, and eco-friendly printing solution. Its ease of use and advanced features are perfectly suited for anyone who demands quality and efficiency in their daily printing tasks. With the Epson EcoTank, Epson redefines the home printing experience, and it's not just a printer, it's a revolution in the world of printing, offering unprecedented savings and unmatched ease of use. And today, I am going to explain to you precisely why this printer is different from anything you have known before. First of all, the Epson EcoTank allows you to achieve significant savings on your printing costs. Imagine not having to buy new cartridges for years, as a single set of ink bottles can print up to 4,500 pages in monochrome and 7,500 pages in color. This is the equivalent of 60 traditional ink cartridges. Ink cartridges belong to the past. With the Epson EcoTank, the ultra-high capacity ink tanks are designed for easy refills with no risk of making mistakes. Thanks to the bottles equipped with a keying feature, there's no need to rush to the store for a last-minute ink cartridge. Technology waits for no one with the Epson EcoTank. Enjoy Wi-Fi and USB connectivity to print from any device anywhere. Print directly from your smartphone or tablet with the Epson Smart Panel app, providing the flexibility you need in a constantly evolving world. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews sharing their satisfaction. The EcoTank is not only economical but also eco-friendly. The Micro Piezo zero heat technology significantly reduces energy consumption and minimizes the need for replacement parts. By choosing this printer, you contribute to a more sustainable future. Whether you need to print, copy, or scan, the Epson EcoTank is up to the task. Its compact and sleek design fits into any workspace. With a rear paper tray of 100 sheets and the ability to print borderless photos, it is perfect for all your printing needs, whether personal or professional. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, savings. It significantly reduces printing costs with its high-capacity ink tank system. Advantage number 2, environmental advantage. The zero heat technology reduces energy consumption and minimizes cartridge waste. Advantage number 3, easy refilling. The ink bottles with anti-spill features simplify the process of filling the tanks, reducing the risk of error. Advantage number 4, versatile connectivity. Offers wireless and USB connectivity options for easy printing from various devices. Advantage of multifunctionality. Combines printing, copying, and scanning functions into a single device. Advantage in print quality. Provides high-quality prints both in monochrome and in color. Advantage number 7. Compact design, suitable for limited workspaces thanks to its sleek and compact design. Now let's move on to the few drawbacks. Drawback number 1. Printing speed. The printing speed may be lower than that of some laser printers, especially for large volumes. Drawback number 2. Maintenance. The ink tanks may require more frequent maintenance to prevent drying out or clogging of the print heads. So for those looking to redefine their printing experience, the Epson EcoTank is not just a smart choice. It is a statement that you are ready for a technology that saves time, money, and the environment. But don't just take our word for it, discover it for yourself. Click on the link in the description to order the Epson EcoTank at the best price, learn more, and read hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Don't miss this opportunity to join the printing revolution. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.